In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a recurring task in Asana. Whether you're managing a project or just keeping track of your daily to-dos, setting up recurring tasks can greatly enhance your productivity by automating repeated tasks. Let's dive right into it. First things first, go ahead and navigate to asana.com and log into your account. If you're already logged in, it'll automatically take you to your dashboard. If not, just enter your credentials and you're in. Once you're on your Asana dashboard, the next step is to create a task. Look for the plus add task button. It's usually located prominently, so it's easy to find. Click on it, and that will allow you to start creating your new task. Now let's name the task. Make sure the name clearly reflects what the task involves. It's helpful to also add any relevant details. You might want to include a description with any specifics so that it's clear what needs to be done. Don't forget to also add the due date, and if necessary, assign it to yourself or someone else on your team. Moving on, we need to set a due date, which is crucial for a recurring task. Look for the calendar icon or directly click on the due date field. This will pull up a calendar view where you can pick the date when you want the task to start or the deadline for its completion. Now to the core feature, making the task recurring. Once you've selected your due date, you should see an option below to set to repeat or simply repeat. Go ahead and click on that, as it's usually designed as a drop-down menu or a link. This is where you can configure your task to recur according to your preferences. You have several options here. You can choose for it to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, annually, or even set a custom interval that best suits your needs. After selecting the frequency, you'll also find some additional settings. For example, you may want to set an end date for the recurrence or choose specific days of the week for the task to repeat. Tweak these settings according to what fits best with your schedule. Finally, make sure everything is set up the way you want it. Review the task details, and once you're satisfied, click save to finalize it. At this point, your recurring task is all set up. It will automatically generate on your preferred schedule, freeing you up from having to remember to input it manually each time. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can create a recurring task in Asana, making your workflow much smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on maximizing your productivity.